The fact is that we will see the market move towards more of X as a service.
Okay.
We will see security as a service become the lead focus point, I believe, for CISOs and CIOs so they can get back and do their job as others do a full-time focus on security. It's impossible with the current budgets to continue to hire security staff, even though every agency needs to keep up with the changing landscape and the threat vectors that are happening every day. It's just virtually impossible. The largest corporations, the largest agencies cannot afford to build. They need to have security savvy people, and I think the government's doing a good job recruiting people. But at the same time, you should really consider using the cloud as your buffer for security. That's real-time, always-on solution. We will move from an alert mode to an intelligent mode where the system, based upon the policies the agency sets, will determine what they're going to let through their firewalls and what they won't let through new technologies such as IP reputation, which will sit there and track an IP, not an individual, not IPP, but an IP, and see what kind of malice activity it's been engaged in the last 90 days to 6 months, and be able to determine whether Kathy wants to allow that IP address through or halt it, therefore not impacting the rest of the mission. So you'll see IP reputation. I believe you'll also see federated IDs, which is absolutely critical. I think David was talking about, and Kathy, where you can marry CAC cards to LinkedIn, to your Concur account, and be able to bring that together and do ID management in the cloud as opposed to worrying about doing it in your data center, which is another threat. And the more people you allow in your data center, the more risk that you take.
Excellent.